Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Eastwood Park Road and we're heading up towards Constant Spring Road. There's you see a police car with the siren on, but I'm not sure what he wants the people to do. It's a stoplight. Well, the light is green now, so I guess the cars will be moving. Alright, so if we turn left here, we go onto Red Hills Road, and that takes us into the Red Hills. If we go left, we take Red Hills Road towards like Red Hills Mall, that area. If we turn right here, we go up to Constant Spring Road. Now Constant Spring Road is a dual carriageway, so we're going to go straight here and get onto Constant Spring Road going up towards the Manor Park area. But if we wanted to take Constant Spring Road heading back to Halfway Tree, we would make a right at the stoplight where the Red Hills Road started. So straight ahead, that's Constant Spring Road. It's at this stoplight now. We turn left to go onto Dunrobin Avenue, and the school on the left is the Merle Grove High School. Turn left at the stoplight. We take Dunrobin Avenue. That would take us to Washington Boulevard and take us out of Kingston. We go straight. We stay on Constant Spring Road, yes. And to the right, that building is Phil's Hardware. It's a very popular hardware store in Kingston. They actually have a branch in Spanish Town as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.